I know you love using Nano Banana Pro to generate your high quality images because of the clarity, the sharpness, the lightning, and all that comes with Nano Banana. But have you tried Seedream 5.0? So today in this video, we are going to compare the two powerful AI models, the Nano Banana Pro and Seedream 5.0. Have you ever heard of Seedream 5.0? If you have not, now on this video, you will discover how powerful Seedream 5.0 is. And we are going to use SeaArt AI to generate these two models, because right there on SeaArt website, you can get any kind of model. In fact, any AI model that you are looking for, you will find them right there on SeaArt website. So let's go to SeaArt, and please don't forget at the end to tell me in the comment section which of these two AI powerful models that get your attention more after comparing the two, because we are going to compare the two of them using the same prompts and the same setting. Now it's left for you to tell me in the comments which one really got your attention. All right, so let's start. Now take a good at these two images in your screen. One is generated using Nano Banana, while the other is generated using Seedream 5.0. So can you tell me which one is from Nano Banana and which one is Seedream 5.0? So we are going to show you exactly the particular tool that I use in creating each of these images that you are just watching right now. All right, so let's go to SeaArt website and see how they are. So now right now, this is SeaArt AI. If you want to join SeaArt, the link is right there on the comment section, on the description. You can pick it from the description and also on the comment section. So this is SeaArt. Now, for us to compare the two powerful AI tools, we are going to click on images. This is the images here now. So let's switch, click on over here, the right switch. So let's switch to pick our model that we want to use, because just as I told you earlier, on SeaArt, you have a lot of AI tools that you can use to create your content. All right, this is the tools. These are the models on SeaArt. You can see here Seedream 5.0 Pro. You can see Nano Banana 2 Leads and all the rest of them. There are so many of them right here. So what we are going to compare with today, we are going to use Seedream 5.0, and we're also going to use Nano Banana Pro. Okay, so first of all, let's click on Seedream 5.0 first. Let's use it to create a cinematic movie poster. Okay, when you select it, you can see it's already there now. The model has been selected. You can see what is showing there. So over here, you drop your prompt right here on this box. I already have my prompts that I already created waiting for this tutorial. Okay, so I'll drop my prompt here. Now over here, you can see where they're asking you to choose your ratio. So we are going to use the same aspect ratio. So we are going to use 16:9. You click on this more to find it. Look at it over here, 16:9. Okay, that's the quality we are going to use. So on the quality, you can decide to use a standard quality or use a higher quality, but because of this tutorial, we're going to use higher quality here, and we are going to just generate one image at a time, not two. So I choose there. Now the next thing we have to do here, now you check this side. You can see they are all here. So what's next thing to do is to hit create. So let's generate it now. You can see it's generating our content. So as we are waiting now, as we are waiting for this to generate, because it will take some time, like 2 to 3 minutes it will take before each one will generate. So we can still go ahead and paste in other prompts. Remember, we are going to use the same prompt for the same model again. So I move to my prompt and I copy another prompt. Let's pick another prompt here. This one is about a realistic image of an African lady. Okay, so we'll pick that one too, and we'll drop it here, so that each of them will generate at once while we are waiting. So the configuration remains the same. You can see is in Seedream 5.0 Pro, landscape on 16:9, one single image. So we can still send this one. It can generate. The good part on inside SeaArt is you can line up as many as possible, while each of them will generate on their own. Okay, so we can still put in another one. Let's pick in our third prompt. So we are going to use these different 3 prompts to compare on each of them. Okay, now I'm pressing the next one here for the third prompt. So when they finish, we'll see how each of them comes out clear. Can see I'm sending the third one now. Now you can see the first one is still generating, the second one is coming, and the third one is also right there. So as they are generating now, so let's just give them a little more time and the content will be ready. Okay, the first one is out. Look at it here. You can see, let's click on the second one. Just click on it and view it bigger. You can see how the first one is. Remember, this one is Seedream, all right? This is Seedream quality, okay? This is how it is over here. Yeah, look at it on the full screen. You can see how it comes out. Check out the screen. can see the skin, you can see everything, the clarity of this image. You see how it is? And even the write-ups, the way everything comes out very clean. Okay, now we are going to download this image. To download this image, you just click on this download button here. Click on this download button here to download the image. Now the second one is ready as well. Let's take a good look at this beautiful lady image here. You can see how this one come out. Remember, this AI model is the Seedream 5.0 AI model. Let's view it closer to see the details. Let's look at the details. Can you see the detail of this beautiful lady? You can see the detail of this image is top notch. You can see the detail. Everything is clear. Her face, is not looking like AI generation at all. Okay, it's not looking like one at all. So remember, we are going to still use Nano Banana to create the same thing. All right. Okay, now the third one of this one is out as well. You can see the third one here. Let's look at this one as well. You see how this one is too. You see, so we are going to use the same image. We are going to use the same prompt to create from Nano Banana as well. You see how these ones come out. You see the details of these images. They are not looking like AI generations at all. They are not looking like one at all. Okay, now you have seen how Seedream quality is. You can see the quality of Seedream. Remember, the one we are using, the quality we are using is not even the highest quality. The quality we are using is just quality 1. Okay, it's not even the highest quality of Seedream. All right, now let's move over to Nano Banana. Let's use Nano Banana. Compare Nano Banana with the same exact prompts that we use right here on Seedream 5.0. Okay, so right here on SeaArt, we are going to select a different model, Nano Banana Pro, so we can search for it, because if we start scrolling, it will take a lot of time. So click on the search for model and type Nano Banana. Okay, these are different Nano Banana. You see, they have all the Nano Banana tools right there on SeaArt. Okay, so let's look for Nano Banana Pro image. Look at it here, Nano Banana Pro. So we are going to test the same exact prompt using Nano Banana Pro image model. Now you can notice here over here that our modem have changed to Nano Banana Pro. You can see it right here in SeaArt, Nano Banana Pro image. Okay, so our model now have changed. So I'm going to drop the last. So I pick this one here. Let's drop it on Nano Pro. You click it, drop it over here in the description box. You drop it here. You can choose the aspect ratio. You can click on more. Remember, we have to use the same 16:9, which is what we used initially for the other one. So here we hit generate. So it's generating the first one. So let's copy the second image. Okay, which was this second one here. Let's copy this one and also drop it here. We hit generate. Remember, we have all our settings already waiting. So we hit generate. All right, right here on Nano Banana, you can see the first image is out. Let's look at it. You see what Nano Banana generated. You can see the two different. There is a great difference between the two. Okay, look at the quality of this one. Just take a good look at it. You see the quality of this one. You see how powerful it is. Both the text, you see, and this is the image. You can see the quality and the community too. You can see the community, but the difference here is that this one background, this one quality is not really carrying African background, while the other one was carrying African background. So can you see the differences here? The two models are excellent, okay, both in quality and in everything. But for the image of this lady standing here, I think I like Nano Banana Pro for the image of the lady. Why on the background, I prefer the African background, which relates to the topic of this particular image. Okay, so we cannot don't forget to download it when you are done. So let's also check if the other two has finished generating. Now let's look at this lady as well. Look at the lady. Remember, I see how this lady is. This one is from Nano Banana. Look at how Nano Banana generated this lady, this African woman. See how it generated this African woman. So between this African woman image and the one that we first generated, which is this particular one that we first generated, which one do you think is better, as in that look more authentic? For me, I prefer the first one coming from Seedream 5.0, because on the face, when you look at the face texture, look at the texture of this face, look at it very well, the quality, the skin texture is a bit lower. This one that we are looking at this on the screen is from Nano Banana. Compare that one that was from Seedream. Let's get the one of Seedream so that you will understand it better. Now you see this one here. Remember, this was the first one that we generated, which is from Seedream 5.0. You can see this texture. You can see how it's the same prompt. Don't forget that we use the same prompt. Do you see the skin texture? Do you see the skin texture? You see how good the quality of this particular one is. You can see the quality. Everything is so detailed, as if it's high class photographer that snapped this thing with a high quality camera. You can see how good it is, and even her hair and the background texture is. I prefer, for this particular image, I prefer Seedream 5.0. I don't know, what's your thought? Do you think that this Seedream 5.0 generated this particular prompt better than Nano Banana? Let me know in the comment section. Now let's look at the last image, which is this one here, the warrior standing on the mountain top. Look at this one. This is how Nano Banana generated it. Let me zoom it out. Now you see how this lady standing at the mountain top. You see how Nano Banana generated the action. You see how it generated the action. You see how it is, which is very good as well compared to Seedream 5.0. All right, so that is it. So which one did you think that is better? You have seen the image model that I use right there on SeaArt to create those same prompts, using the same prompt, the same setting to generate them. So let me know in the comment section, do you prefer Nano Banana Pro, or you'll be missing it with Seedream 5.0? So let me know in the comment section. Okay, see you in another one. And I have another AI tool that doesn't use credit at all to create the same images for free. So let me know. I'll be dropping it on my next video. Will you like to see it? Let me know in the comment section. See you again, and bye for now.